everyone, welcome to Vishwa Blooms. If you haven't subscribed to Vishwa Blooms, subscribe now and click the bell icon to receive all the latest updates and notifications. So we will be discussing polynomials class 8 AM3 pearl and diamond packages in this video because emerald is a little bit long. So separate video I will make for it. Okay, let's start. So here we are having the pearl questions first here in the beginning, first and second. So first question asks the HCF of a cube minus a square x and a cube minus ax square and a power 4 minus ax cube. So this question, wait, I will zoom a little bit. So this question, you can observe that here there are three polynomials given to us. So for those three, we have to find the common factors, that is HCF. So we will do that now. So this is the given data in the question. That means there are three polynomials given, right? So first what we have to do, we have to bring out the commons here. So the smallest term first we will see. So the smallest power which number is having, no, that one we will take as common here. Okay, so first, sorry, 1 second, that bracket has gone. First we will see for this one, a cube minus a square x. So a square is the smallest one here, right? Then a cube. So what we will do, we will take a square as common first. Then so a cube divided by a square, what it is going to be? This is a cube, right? So a power 1, right? So it is, now what we will do? Sorry, a cube by a power 2. So this will be cancelled. So 2 minus 3 minus 2, 1. So correct only we got. So it is a minus x. Correct. Then this one, second part, we will see once, comma, this one x square, ax square. So a is smaller one, so a we will take as common, and a power 2 because 2 are left, right? 2 a's are left there, minus x square. Then for this one we will see now. For this one, a is common again, so a into a power 3 minus x power 3, right? Correct only we got this one until here. Next what we have to do is this one now as it is only you will be keeping. So a square means a into a, right? So now a dot means multiplication only, no? So this will be one of the term, right? So in that way also let's remember this, just I'm saying because in the last it will be useful. Now a square minus x square, it is looking like a minus b a square minus b square, right? So we will use that formula and keep it there. Okay, for this one continuation, a into a plus b, a minus b. So that formula if we use, a minus x, sorry, a plus x into a minus x. Done. Now for this one, a cube minus x cube, a into x minus. So one formula was there, I think, yeah, it was there. Sure about that. One formula, a cube minus b cube, one formula will be there in your book. I have already explained that formula. It was really helpful for us. So it is what it was, a minus b first, a minus b. So a into a minus b means a minus x. Then what will happen? Then again we will be having a square plus ax plus b, right? So a square is a square, right? Plus bx means ax plus x square. Sorry, that's it. Alright, I think everyone remember this formula. So the formula is x square, okay, here b square will be there. So once check it out, that one also. Now you can take a screenshot because I'm going to erase the full screen now. So actually here I told you but before one thing just 2 seconds ago, few moments ago, that is a into a minus x also we can write, right? So in this all commonly we can find it's a into a minus x. That's the option is done. That's over, answer. A into a minus x is your answer. And the option is B. Okay, everyone take, now you may note it down. So I'm erasing the full screen. Now we will see the second question, statement type 1. Okay, this one. So the common factor for, so one number is actually given here. 1 second. So common factor for this f of x and g of x is x plus 1. So we have to verify this. Okay, statement type means we have to verify. So let's see. Now what we have to do is just find factors for them. So what we have to find is we have to find factors for them, right? As I told you, common factor is x plus 1. We have to verify that whether it is correct or not. First we will find for f of x. So 5x square minus 9x plus 4. So as I told you, this coefficient, this c coefficient into this x square coefficient will be, it should be equal. When you multiply it will become 20, right? So you should find factors in such a way when you add up it becomes minus 9. So for 20 minus 4 minus 5 it becomes plus 20, and minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. So in such a way we have to find out. So let's put it. Now 5x square minus 4x, sorry 5x we'll keep here, minus 4x plus 4. So now here common what will be? 1 will be the common, sorry x will be the common, and actually we can take 5x as common. 5 is also common, right? And here x, so x is 1, x will be there, and 1 minus, here what you can take common, it is 4 into plus into my x first you will write, plus into minus minus x minus 1. So the factors for this is x minus 1 and 5x minus 4. Until here first you copy this. These are the factors for only this one, first one. Okay. Now we will see for g of x. Okay. For g of x, a 10x square plus 5x minus 5. Right. So once again, yeah, minus 5. Now you should multiply this minus 5 into 10. So it is minus 50. So you should get minus 50 when you multiply, and when you add up it should be plus 5. See, really tough criterions also we will be getting. So minus 10 plus 5, once try it. So minus 10 plus 5 is minus 5. So plus 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5 is 5. Yes, this is satisfied, right? So we will see with plus 10 minus 5. So when you multiply this it becomes minus 50. So plus 10 minus 5 we will see this. So 10x square plus 10x minus 5x minus 5. So now common in 10x and 10x square, sorry, this will not meet. So 10x square is 10x, and x1 will be here only, and plus 1 minus here 5 and x. So minus into minus is plus, right? So 1, right? So x plus 1 and 10x minus 5, right? So once you check it out, this common factor is not x plus 1. Here x minus 1 is there, and here x plus 1 is there. So there are no common factors between these two actually, right? So just write it as there are no common factors, or else highlight it once. So what we can say, statement A is false, right? By this, then we will see the statement B. The HCF of given polynomial is also its common factor. That is true. So statement B is true, option D. Okay. Next we will see the diamond package now. So diamond package first question says, if x square plus x minus 2 is the GCD of the expressions x minus 1 and into x 2x square plus ax plus 2 and x plus 2 3 into 3x square plus bx plus 1, then the values of a and b respectively. So this is a really long question. First what they have told is, I'll explain in a short form. So the question says that this is the GCD means HCF. Okay, GCD means HCF. This one we will have been already learned, but once again I just want to give a brush up on it. Okay, of these two expressions, this is first expression and this is second expression, then we have to find the value of a and b. Option is b only, we know that, but we have to find, right? How we have to find that one, we'll see now. So this question actually looks like lengthy, but it is very simple only. It doesn't seem like it's that much lengthy. So first GCD, actually it's given here. So these first two terms we will take it as GCD here, right? So we will equate that those GCD, that is x minus 1 x minus 1 into x minus 2. So that will be x plus 2, that will be the GCD here. Okay, we can equate it to that. So if it is like this, so this is factor for this equation and this is factor for that polynomial. Polynomial you have to call it better. So if x minus 1, it is a factor for x minus 1 is factor for 3x square plus bx plus 1, then b value will be minus 4. Hurry, how this boy got, how we should, we got b is equal to minus 4, you are thinking, right? Nothing, very simple. Normally x minus 1 means it will become x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Wherever x is there, you will substitute 1, that's it. Then you will get the value of b. So that one I'm not doing. If you want, I will just do it roughly. 3 into 1 square plus b into 1 plus 1, that is 1 square is 1, so 1, 3 plus b plus 1, 4 plus b, so we'll move it to RHS, means it will become minus 4, that's it. Okay, so very simple it is. Next, x plus 2, if that is a factor for this one, 2x square plus ax plus 2, then a value is going to be minus, a value will be 5. Okay, a value will be 5. How? Again same thing, x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x will become minus 2 because plus 2 will go to RHS and become minus 2. So if x value is minus 2, then what will happen? 2 into minus 2 square plus a into minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so that equal to 0 I'm not writing, plus 2. Sorry, now minus 2 square is obviously 4, so 2 4s is 8, right? So 8 plus minus 8 minus 2, 2a, so 8 minus 2a will be there. So here I'm writing here 8 minus 2a will be there. Here space is only not there for me actually. So 8 minus 2a will be then plus 2. So 8 plus 2 we will do 10. 10 minus 2a. So 10 you will go 10 minus 2a, right? So 10 will go to RHS and become minus 10. Then this minus 2 will go to RHS and become minus 10 by minus 2. So minus 10 by minus 2, I'll write that here, then it will be easy. So a will be minus 10 by minus 2, then minus minus will get cancelled and it will become 5. Okay, so this is how we will do. That's it. So finally our answer is got. It is B option. Now we will see the second one. So here's a statement B. Statement A. The LCM of x square minus 4 and x plus 2 is x power 4 minus 4. So actually that answer is wrong only. But how, we will see now. So it is here, it is given that x power x square minus 4. It is also, it is in the form of a plus a square minus b square, how it is means x square minus 2 square, we can write it, right? So in that way, so it is x plus 2 into x minus 2. So x plus 2 is here. So the LCM for this will be x plus 2 into x minus 2. So that will become x square minus 4. So answer is wrong. Statement A is false. Then B statement we will see. It is if x minus 1 is common factor of f of x and g of x, then f of 1 is g of 1. Correct. Statement B is true and the answer for this is D. Okay. So that's all within the video. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Blooms. Thanks for watching our video. Bye.